Now run it. Okay, yes, you the error. The library space SOL not found. So just copy it from this URL. Just copy the content and create a file base64.sol. Create a folder libraries and inside that paste this file. mm, no, sorry, I think copy this file. This is the URL. I'll share it. We have just copy this, and now let's run it again. Okay, it's compiled successfully. Okay, now contract deployed successfully. Now let's see what it generates. mm, let's see. Let's see. uh, what it does. I think it's not here. Why it's not here? uh, let let's see. Okay, now open it and just see how we can see the images that just created. I think mhm. Okay, just console log final SVG and rerun it, so we'll get the complete tag. Okay, yes, we get it. Just copying it. Okay, world learning of. It's pretty interesting. Now let's see the second one. Here, web 3 off. Okay. Now it's generating. Why it's not coming on OpenSea? Let's see. Okay. Now we need to actually set a data first. Okay. Now is we just anyway generate a full NFT on chain movement. If you take off the grave blob and drop it to your browser, you will see the JSON data like we had before, except now it's all done automatically on your contract. Now let's see this also. Copy this and paste it in the browser. Okay, now you can see the JSON data. That's pretty cool. Now let's see how does finite token work. The big line basic point equation may look pretty confusing, but it only looks confusing because of the all quotation marks. All we are doing is we are base64 encoding the JSON metadata, but it's all on chain. So all the JSON uh, will, will will live on the contract itself. We also dynamically add the name and the base64 encode SVG as well. Finally, we got the find URL where we put it all together. Where to all that's happening is here we are putting all together and adding the same old 164 we did before. We append the base64 encode JSON. Okay, now debugging the content finder. Now that we have your token setup, how do we know that it's actually correct work? All this hold our data for our NFT. You can use cool tool like NFT preview. Now see how this work or not. Let's see code like this. Okay. Uh, okay. Now just paste that JSON. Okay. Here it is. So name, description, and the image. So it's very useful tool. Okay. Till now we were running it. Now we are going to deploy it. Sorry for that confusion. Now let's deploy it. Copy it and then paste it here. It will take some time.